Hi everyone, I'm Kai, Hardware Program Manager at Kaiterra, and I'm excited to tell you about a few mighty but extremely thoughtful details that go into the Sensedge Go. We know installing IoT devices can be far more complicated than just placing the device on the wall. Many other factors contribute to the overall experience, such as the design of packaging or method of installation. These small things can significantly impact your installation outcome. When designing the Sensedge Go, we talked to many installers, system integrators, and architects, carefully listening to their feedback to shape the design of the Sensedge Go. Let's start with packaging. We've significantly streamlined the packaging and reduced the materials needed. This not only benefits the environment, but also speeds up the installation process. If you've ever opened up a package filled with layers of plastic wrap, tape, and stuffing, you know how frustrating it can be. The installers face this with every device they set up. By minimizing packaging, we significantly speed up the installation process and make life easier for the installers. When you open the box of the Sensedge Go, you'll find only what you need: the device with the modules and batteries already installed. No extra steps are required. Just take out the device and mount it on the wall. Our peel and stick installation takes just a few seconds and requires no tools. We tested a wide range of tapes to choose one that is easy to peel, quick to stick, and securely holds the device in place. The tape sticks to various surfaces, including concrete, metal, paint, plastic, and glass, providing you with maximum flexibility. Alternatively, you can secure the Sensedge Go by screwing it into place, either directly into the wall or into an electrical junction box. We've included screws for all major installation scenarios. Flexibility in installation is crucial because we recognize that every site can be different. Although the Sensedge Go is 100% wireless, we understand that some customers might prefer an alternative power source. That's why the Sensedge Go features a discrete USB-C port, allowing you to connect power cables if needed. The cable can be routed through the openings at both the top and bottom to accommodate the positions of nearby electrical outlets and minimize visible hanging cables. If the device is mounted on a junction box, you can also run the wires directly out the back and into the wall, keeping them completely hidden. We believe these design details make the installation process as simple, easy, and seamless as possible, allowing more people to monitor and improve their indoor air quality and create a better indoor environment.